Let me ask you something important. You are motivated, you are serious about your exams, you want to study long hours. But after a few hours, your brain feels overloaded, your eyes feel tired, your motivation drops, and burnout slowly creeps in. Now, here's the twist. Today's students don't fail because of lack of resources, they fail because of mental overload and poor energy management. And this is where artificial intelligence enters the picture. In this video, I am going to show you how to use AI to study longer without burnout. Not by studying harder, but by studying smarter, lighter, and more strategically. This is not about cheating, this is not about shortcuts, this is about using AI as your study assistant, planner, explainer, revision partner, and burnout protector. If you are preparing for GATE, IIT JEE, UPSC, or any competitive exam, this video can completely change how you study. So stay with me because the last section will reveal how toppers will use AI differently from average students. Why burnout happens even to smart students. Burnout doesn't happen because you are weak. Burnout happens when your brain processes too much information. You revise inefficiently. You keep switching tasks. You don't get clarity. You overthink progress. Most students study like this: read, confused, reread, still confused, frustrated, tired, and then quit. AI helps break this cycle. AI doesn't replace your effort, AI reduces cognitive load, and reducing cognitive load is equal to studying longer without exhaustion. The students who study less but scored more. Let's see it. Let me tell you about Karan, a GATE aspirant. Karan was hardworking, but after 4 to 5 hours of study, he felt completely drained. He used to make long notes, watch multiple lectures, revise repeatedly, still forget concepts. Then he did something different. He started using AI as a thinking partner, not as a shortcut. He used AI to simplify complex topics, generate smart revision questions, plan daily study blocks, summarize chapters, track weak areas. Slowly, something changed. He started studying 6 to 7 hours comfortably, without mental fatigue, and most importantly, he felt clarity instead of chaos. That's the power of AI when used correctly. What AI can and cannot do for you. Let's be very clear. AI cannot replace your practice, give you rank without effort, or solve exams for you. AI can save your mental energy, reduce confusion, increase focus time, speed up understanding, and prevent burnout. Think of AI like a gym trainer. The trainer doesn't lift weights for you, but without one, you will waste energy and injure yourself. Let's see AI role in personal study planner, that is burnout prevention tool. One of the biggest reasons for burnout is poor planning. AI can create daily study schedules, weekly revision plans, monthly roadmaps, balanced routines. Example, you tell AI, I am preparing for GATE. I have 6 months, 6 hours per day, and I feel mentally tired often. AI can generate focus blocks, break timings, subject rotation, revision cycles. This removes decision fatigue, one of the biggest causes of burnout. Second, AI role is concept simplifier, that is mental energy saver. When concepts are unclear, your brain works overtime. AI can explain complex topics in simple language, Use analogies, break formulas step by step, answer why questions. Instead of watching three lectures and rereading notes, you get instant clarity. Clarity is equal to less frustration. Less frustration is equal to longer study stamina. Next AI role is smart note maker, that is lightweight learning. Long notes is equal to heavy brain. AI helps you convert chapters into bullet points, create concise summaries, extract formulas and key points, generate last-minute revision sheets. Instead of revising 50 pages, you revise 5 pages. This saves energy and improves retention. Next AI role is active revision partner. Passive revision drains you. AI enables questions-based revision, concept recall prompts, flashcards, practice quizzes. You can ask me 10 conceptual questions from control systems to AI. This keeps your brain active but not overloaded. Active recall uses less energy than rereading. Next AI role is burnout detector and recovery assistant. Here's something powerful. AI can help you reflect, which humans often skip. You can journal with AI. Why am I tired today? What drained my energy? What should I improve tomorrow? AI can suggest lighter study days, recovery techniques, focus adjustments. Burnout is avoided when recovery is planned, not accidental. AI plus focus blocks is equal to deep work without exhaustion. Combine AI with proven focus techniques like 60 to 90-minute deep work blocks, AI planned breaks, AI guided revision. AI ensures you don't overwork one subject, you rotate topics smartly, you balance effort and rest, and the result, you study longer, you feel less tired, you stay consistent. The wrong way to use AI is, let me warn you, AI becomes dangerous when you copy blindly, you depend fully, you stop thinking and you skip practice. Average students will use AI to avoid effort. Toppers will use AI to optimize effort. That's the difference. How toppers will use AI differently? Toppers will use AI to plan, not procrastinate. Use AI to clarify, not copy. Use AI to revise, not replace practice. Use AI to protect energy, not waste time. They will combine human discipline, AI efficiency. That combination is unstoppable. The future of studying has changed. The truth is simple. Study longer by force leads to burnout. Study longer with AI leads to sustainability. AI doesn't make you lazy, it makes you strategic. And strategy wins exams. AI is your assistant, not your replacement. Let me leave you with this final thought. You don't need to suffer to succeed. You need to study smartly, not painfully. AI helps you reduce confusion, save mental energy, improve focus, prevent burnout, stay consistent. Use AI wisely, and long study hours will stop feeling heavy. If this video opened your mind to smarter studying, like this video, comment I will use AI wisely. Subscribe to Growth Circuit Pro for AI powered study strategies, motivation, and exam success. Share this with a friend who feels burnout. Remember, the future toppers won't study harder, they will study smarter with AI. See you in the next video.